straightforward system. Okay. Then came the negative feedback amplifier. So a negative feedback, you see output is taken and it is subtracted with the input. Positive feedback both will be plus. Negative feedback input is plus, the feedback signal is going to be minus. And if you are, the gain of the feedback is given by A by 1 plus AF. So since you can see the gain is getting reduced, so there is no way that output value will increase. So system is going to be always stable. But whereas the positive feedback, it is going to be anytime, it can go to instability. So negative feedback is used in amplifier, positive feedback is used in oscillators. Please remember that very, very clearly. And approximately, if you see, one adding 1 to AF is not going to change anything. The A by AF, A is approximately 1 by F. So the gain depends on the feedback factor F. So gain depends on the feedback factor F. The properties of negative feedback, the gain variation is very less. Bandwidth extension is very good. Reduces noise, reduces distortion. Impedance transformation is perfect. So since impedance transformation is there, my input impedance will increase, the output impedance will decrease, so which will efficiently improve the power transfer characteristics of my complete